Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool and basically right here in my hand, and basically what this is a portable monitor that's in use for your devices, whether you want to use it for computer or you can use it for your laptop. That's up to you guys. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually included in the packaging itself first. So when you guys first open it up, you can see that is basically what it looks like inside right there. Alright, so this is the first layer right here. So right here they do provide you guys the cable to activate the product itself. So this is the wall charger and this is USB-C. Next part right here, we have some more cables. So inside here, we do have the HDMI to HDMI cable. And then right here, they provide guys a USB-C to USB-C cable. If you guys can see, this is basically what the cable looks like right here. And they do provide you guys a happy or not happy card. If there's any wrong product, feel free to contact them. And right here, they do provide guys a user guide or instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to set it all up. So last but not least, we have the actual product itself right here. So you guys can definitely see how it's all well protected and everything. Let's get it, which is pretty cool. So you can see the product itself, it comes in this very nice little case that feels really nice. Definitely has that protection on here. So this is the front side, and then here is the back side. When we open up the product, you guys can see that this is basically what the inside looks like right here. So the bottom part, they have the design where it's actually used as a stand like this. They do have a little protection film right here that's want to move like this. And then if you guys want to, you guys can even fold up like that and just hold it up if you guys want to. And then for this monitor, if you guys want to go like that, you definitely can as well. But when I open the back part right here, you guys can see there's some speakers here and here as well. So you definitely will get a really nice audio when you guys actually use the product itself. If I take a look right here, there's a bunch of outputs right here. If you turn on the other side right here, you can see that they do have a aux output right here. So you can actually plug this into like a headphone or whatever. If you guys take a look at the bottom part here, there are 3 buttons that's in use as well. So I'll show you guys how to use all of that in a second. But this is basically what the overall product looks like right here. If you guys can see, looks pretty awesome. So the actual monitor itself is around like 15.6 inch, which is pretty big. And you guys can see how portable the device is. You guys can actually bring this on the go with you guys anywhere you guys want to. So before I actually test out the product itself, I do want to go over some of the specs that's on here first. The overall product itself is super slim when you guys actually look at it. If you guys can see, like I mentioned, and bring this on the go with you guys anywhere, which is pretty awesome. If you guys ever forget what each one of the outputs or inputs are for, you guys can refer to this photo right here. And the cool thing about the device is the fact that you guys are not limited to just using it for your laptops, but you can actually use it for your phone or anything else. So it's basically compatible with these devices right here. And for this portable monitor, it actually has the built-in functionality where you guys actually tilt the actual screen itself. It actually has that automatic screen orientation option, which is pretty awesome as well. And then for this product, it definitely has all the other modes as well, such as the mirror mode and the extend mode as well. But that is basically everything that is on the product itself. Let's actually go test this out to show you guys how well it does work and whether it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I have the product all plugged in right here, if you can see. But what you guys want to do now is to plug it into a device. So in this case, I'm going to plug it into my laptop that we have right here and see whether or not we can actually project it onto here. So I'm actually plugging the HDMI cable onto here first. Alright, so I have it plugged in right here. If you can see, I project it onto right here. So let me actually drag this over. So I'm going to drag this over to this side. Alright, so now you guys can see it's over this side right here. So let me actually put it on full screen and play it. And if you just want to adjust the audio on the actual product itself right here, you guys can do it manually on the setting page, which I'll show you guys that in a second, but let's play it first. Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is. Alright, so you see the product itself, it definitely does work. The audio on here is pretty good. So obviously the audio is not like the best audio out there. So if you guys want better audio, you can definitely connect it onto a different speaker to get better audio if you guys want to, using the aux output right here on the side right here. And then if we go to the setting page right here, you guys can see, you guys control all of this right here. So you can control the brightness, the contrast, eco mode, and etc. right here. If we go to the next section, you guys can do all of this right here. Right here, you guys can actually control the color temperature. Next one we have right here is this setting right here. You guys want to do that as well. And then here's the next section right here. And then here's the last one right here. So you can actually adjust the source that you're using right here. You guys can change it to Type-C or HDMI based on your own preference. And obviously for the volume, you guys can actually make it higher as well. So I turn it on maximum volume. Alright, so now it's on maximum volume. Let's try it again. Here, you can see, it's kind of like a mesh material, and this definitely works pretty well. But I saw this product, so I wanted to give it a try and see how well it works compared to that one. So you can definitely hear the audio is much more louder, but it's not like super clear or whatever. So like I mentioned, if you guys don't like the audio, you can definitely use your own speaker and pair it onto here using the aux output right here. So that's basically everything that is on the product itself. Let me tilt it to the side to give you guys a better view of the side of the actual product itself again, so you can see what it actually looks like. So this is basically what the side looks like right here. So the HDMI, USB-C, USB-C, And right here is the micro USB. Let me turn it on to the other side again and show you guys what the other side looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like on the other side right here, if you can see. So this is the aux output right here. So you're going to plug in your device in here. So if you guys want to use like a speaker or whatever to get better audio, you guys can definitely do that on here. And obviously, like I mentioned in the back right here, you guys have the speaker here. And you guys have the speaker here as well. And they have the marking right here to show you guys what each different part is for. So next, I'll do a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that everything works really well. Super easy to use. Definitely a high quality image, if you can see from the test itself. But I definitely can tell from the quality from using the actual monitor itself. It actually works really, really well. You definitely get that high quality image. And the audio on here is pretty good as well. But like I mentioned, if you guys don't want to use the audio on the actual product itself, you guys can definitely plug in your Bluetooth speaker or any other speaker as well into the aux slot. So that way you can actually use the audio from another speaker instead of the one on here if you guys don't like the built-in speaker on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like portable monitors that are similar to these right here are definitely super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys need like an extra monitor, extra screen, if you guys are doing like stocks or something, then these are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.